You take care of her?
Mhm.
Yeah, you sleep with her too, don't you?
Mhm.
You used to sleep with me when you were a little baby girl. Did you know that? Do you remember?
Mhm.
What are you eating, Will?
No.
You don't know? Is it corn?
Mhm.
Can you say corn?
Cool.
Good job.
buddy.
Emma, what are you eating?
I'm corn.
Corn?
No, I'm mommy.
Oh, okay, Mommy. What are you eating?
I'm eating corn, Emma.
Is it good?
Mhm.
How do you eat it?
Oh no. I eat it on
If you eat enough corn, you might get a belly like me.
A belly like that. Hi, Mommy. Big belly.
Big belly.
Say bye-bye, Emma. Say bye-bye, Mommy, Emma.
I see